In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Asana. Whether you're decluttering your digital workspace or transitioning to a different project management tool, knowing how to clean up unnecessary workspaces is a valuable skill. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure clarity and simplicity. First, let's head over to the Asana website. Open your web browser and type in asana.com. Once the page loads, take a look at the top right corner, where you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click it to get started. As you're directed to the login page, you'll notice several options for signing in. Choose Continue with Google if you prefer that route, and select the Google account associated with your Asana workspace. After logging in, you're going to find your profile picture at the bottom left of your Asana dashboard. It's a small icon, but an important one, as it's your gateway to settings and other personal configurations. Click on your profile picture and a menu will pop up with various options. From here, you'll want to click on Settings to proceed. You'll now find yourself in the Settings menu. The next step is to navigate to the Account tab. This tab contains all the important information concerning your user account. Once you click on it, you'll notice several sections detailing different account settings. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Deactivation. This section is primarily used for making significant decisions about individual workspaces within your Asana account. Here, you'll see an option labeled Remove Me from this workspace. Click on this option if you are certain you want to leave the workspace. It's an important step toward decluttering your Asana environment. Once you click Remove Me from this workspace, a confirmation prompt will likely appear. This prompt is Asana's way of double-checking that you truly want to go through with this action, as it's not reversible. When you're sure, proceed by clicking the Remove button to finalize the process. And there you have it. You've successfully removed yourself from an Asana workspace. Remember, this action will not delete the workspace for other users, but it will exclude you from any future notifications, tasks, or updates related to it. If you ever need to rejoin, you'll have to be invited back by an existing workspace member. We hope this video has helped simplify how to manage your workspaces in Asana. Keep this process in mind whenever you feel the need to eliminate digital clutter or refocus your project management efforts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.